Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey guys, it's time to find the winner of our I Won So Can You. I had one of nice flower arrangement. Well, it was a combination of a makeup and flower arrangement from Susan, Just Making It. And now it's time for that giveaway, and you must be subscribed to both Miss Jackie Russell and Susan's Just Making It. And let's pop over here. I've got the URL in the comment picker. I have our filter for duplicates, and I have Susan's name as a secret code word, and there were 44 unique comments. And so let's get over here and find out who the winner is. Now, you'll have 48 hours to contact me, and I want to thank you all for participating, and of course we will be having more giveaways. And there are current giveaways and battle collaborations going on right now, so be sure and check my description. But let's find out who the winner is. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Tina A. Hey Tina, what do you have to say? Happy Mass Monday. I love watching Susan, and she does make amazing, beautiful things. And she does, Tina. And I'm going to verify that you are subscribed to both channels. And if we're still watching this, that means that you were subscribed to both of us. And congratulations to you. Tina, you have 48 hours to contact me, and I will get your package out right away. And I want to thank you for participating and for being a part of both of our channels. Susan has a great channel, and if any of you are watching this and you haven't gone over and checked out Susan's Just Making It, I highly recommend you go over and check her out. She is wonderful, and she does, of course, the hauls, and she does making things, and she's very crafty, but she also talks about some unique subjects. The other day she had a little video on about things in the 80s, and it brought back so many memories for me, and it made for you. So I highly recommend going checking her out. She's got a lot of good content. But as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.